अस्सलाम वालेकुम ख़वातीन व हज़रात। आज जो खातून जो शख्सियत मेरे साथ मौजूद हैं वो हैं फ़रिया एहसान। अस्सलाम वालेकुम मैम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
कैसी हैं मैम, आप खैरियत से हैं?
यस, आई एम गुड, थैंक यू। आप कैसे हैं?
मैं बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक। लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस यू। फ़रिया एहसान मैम ने एक स्टार्टअप स्टार्ट किया कि अपनी आप बचत कैसे करें, पैसे कैसे बचाएं और अपनी ज़िंदगी भी जिएं और साथ साथ सेविंग्स भी करें। मैम, कैन यू टेल अस अबाउट द स्टोरी ऑफ योर स्टार्टअप, हाउ दिस आइडिया केम टू योर माइंड एंड हाउ यू स्टार्ट ऑल दीज थिंग्स?
I got a small funding from a Pakistan Entrepreneurship Initiative of US Embassy for my
राइट।
initiative. Under that initiative, I interviewed 100 women to know their financial knowledge and
राइट।
savings, कि क्या उनका knowledge है और क्या कितना वो savings क्या कैसे करती हैं और कितने उनको methods पता है about saving products. The analysis of
राइट।
that research was that first is financial knowledge is not up to the market, what available in the market, हम कौन से बैंक अकाउंट्स खोल सकते हैं, कौन से प्रोडक्ट बाय कर सकते हैं, सब कुछ। और सेविंग हैबिट में जस्ट एक ही पता है सबको कि कमेटी डाल लें और पैसे बचा लें, और उसके बाद कमेटी निकलने पे
एग्जैक्टली।
आप वो जो आपने अपने घर में एक नया खर्चा रखा होता है कि फ्रिज ले लें या बच्चों की फीस दे दें, और उससे भी आप कोई प्रोडक्टिव काम ना करें। So based on
बिल्कुल।
findings and those interaction, I came up with idea कि हमें एक advocacy की ज़रूरत है to tell people that how they can have those habits in their daily life to manage their money effectively so they can have
राइट।
savings. So that's the whole story and
राइट।
background, and based on research, and then I started my initiative named as Cash Memo, and in that I just try to
राइट।
provide the daily life tools and techniques that how you can manage your money effectively and do saving and have
राइट।
more saving to spend on more productive things.
Right. Ma'am, do you think women usually save the money? Because I used to know one thing that women usually do that. They go out, they spend lot of money on makeup and all this stuff. So, do you believe that they save money? क्योंकि
uh,
अक्सर औकात जो शोहर लोग होते हैं उनकी बड़ी कंप्लेंट होती है कि हमारी खवातीन बाहर जाती हैं, दे स्पेंड मनी लाइक बस आज ही दुनिया खत्म होने वाली है, सारा पैसा हम लगा के आ जाएं।
I would not deny the fact that women love to do shopping, but on the other hand, there is a research that women are better saver in saving money as compared to the man. आप देखें अगर तो
राइट।
आप अपने घर में देख लें, आपके घर में भी औरतों ने ही ज्यादा कमेटियां डाली होंगी, मर्दों ने नहीं डाली होंगी। So
बिल्कुल ऐसा
इसलिए
ही है।
that's the factual thing that that's also factual that they love to shop, but on the other hand, they are the one who love to save more, whether it's a small
राइट।
amount, whether it's a large, but they are better saver as compared to the men.
Right. Ma'am, as that's something very good. But as we are talking about saving money and all, do you think कोविड के बाद हमारा लाइफ स्टाइल जो है वो थोड़ा चेंज होना चाहिए? क्योंकि हमने एक चीज देखी है, क्योंकि कोरोना की वजह से पाकिस्तान में या ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड, इफ वी हैव अ सर्वे, तो लोगों की जो लाइफ स्टैंडर्ड और लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड है और लाइफ की जो कह सकते हैं उनकी एक किस्म की तरजीहात हैं वो तब्दील हो चुकी हैं। पीपल स्टार्ट बिलीविंग इन सेविंग मनी मोर and spending money on their health rather than on the facilities. क्या ये सारी चीजें आ रही हैं आपके सामने?
मैं इंडिविजुअल अपने आप से स्टार्ट करूंगी कि एज
Sure.
दिस कोविड हैपेंड, it changed my spending habits and made me more organized in terms of money. And to make it a reference, I would ask you same question from you, that
Right.
how do you feel individually that how COVID has changed your money habits? Has it changed or
Yeah,
not?
definitely. Yes, definitely, definitely.
And that applies to every one of us, that definitely we have changed our lives. And even it's, I would not say that it has changed 100% or it has changed significantly, but at least now at our head we know that we need to save money, and anything can happen anytime. That crisis situation is not ever predictive, कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है. सो कभी भी पेंडेमिक ने हमें ये जरूर बता दिया है कि कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है. इसलिए हमेशा अच्छा
Exactly.
है कि आप अपना एक रिजर्व फंड रख लें. अच्छा है कि आप अपनी अपने आप की सेहत पे ज्यादा सोचें रेदर देन स्पेंडिंग ऑन शॉपिंग ऑनली.
एग्जैक्टली exactly. अच्छा, मैम, अक्सर औकात आप सेविंग की बात करती होंगी और आप खवातीन को बताती होंगी कि सेविंग एंड ऑल. डू यू थिंक वी स्पेंड लैविशली ऑन वेडिंग्स जस्ट बिकॉज हम जब शादियों की बात करते हैं तो काफी ज्यादा खर्चा होता है, स्टेज, मेकअप, फोटोग्राफी एंड ऑल एंड ऑल एंड ऑल. सो इतनी ज्यादा चीजों में क्या हम इतना ज्यादा पैसा हमें लगाना चाहिए या नहीं, उसको बचाना चाहिए और सिंपल शादी करनी चाहिए, सिंपल प्लान्स बनाने चाहिए, लाइक जिस तरह हनीमून होता है तो लोग जाके फॉरेन अब्रॉड जाके अपना हनीमून मनाते हैं. सो क्या उन चीजों को कम करना चाहिए या नहीं, ऐसे ही स्पेंड करते रहना चाहिए?
योर पॉइंट इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, एंड आई वुड से कि कोविड ने हम सबकी, एटलीस्ट पहले अगर हम ये मानने को नहीं तैयार थे कि हमें कम पैसे
बिल्कुल.
लगाने चाहिए शादियों पे, तो कोविड ने तो हमें ये प्रूफ कर दिया है कि कम पैसों में भी शादी हो सकती है. वी डोंट नीड टू स्पेंड
एग्जैक्टली.
दैट मच मनी ऑन मेकअप, शॉपिंग्स, वेडिंग इवेंट्स एंड ऑल दिस. एंड
बिल्कुल.
it saves a lot of money. I like your point is completely valid, that it saves significant amount of money. And on the other hand, we have a bad trend of a debt, taking loan for a wedding, that people are planning all the
एग्जैक्टली.
wedding and taking loan, which is, I would say, very negative for even the newlywed couple. And it affects
एग्जैक्टली.
their life in coming, because they are not planning for their life together, but they are worried to pay off those loans.
राइट.
So, and
सो
with the COVID, this is also a learning कि हम शादी कम पैसों में भी कर सकते हैं. It's better to save money.
राइट, इट्स बेटर टू सेव मनी. अच्छा, इसमें एक और चीज भी मैम आ जाती है. मैं एक कंप्लीट एक सेशन करने वाला था जहेज पे, तो
Yeah.
आज आपने इट्स बेटर टू सेव मनी, तो मैं इधर एक क्वेश्चन आप के लिए पूछूंगा आपसे और लोगों के लिए पूछूंगा कि क्या जहेज का जो कॉन्सेप्ट है हमारे मुआशरे में, क्या ये ठीक है या ये सिर्फ बोझ है?
मुझे बचपन से मैंने वो एक लाइन सुनी थी जो कि मुझे आज भी याद है, जहेज एक लानत है. आप अगर एग्री करते हैं, डिसएग्री करते हैं, आई वुड नॉट गो इन दैट, बट दैट स्टक इन माय माइंड स्टिल कि जहेज एक लानत है. और क्यों एक लानत है? बिकॉज दैट ऑल्सो क्रिएट अ फाइनेंशियल लाइबिलिटी ऑन द ब्राइट साइड. और हमें माशरे
एग्जैक्टली.
में, देखिए, हम इंडिविजुअल लेवल पे मैं और आप बात कर रहे हैं, दिस इज द चेंज. आज हम, अगर मैं, दो लोग ही कह रहे हैं कि जहेज एक लानत है, तो यही आगे जाके माशरा एक बनेगा और शायद सब लोग इस बात पे कन्विंस हो जाएं कि जहेज एक लानत ही है एंड दे शुड अवॉइड इट. और I would not go in the techniques that how can we avoid it, but हम जैसे नई जनरेशन यूथ ही इस बारे में बात करना शुरू करेगी, तो आई थिंक वी कैन ब्रिंग द चेंज. वी आर द वन टू ब्रिंग द चेंज. I think I we lost you, and I'm not sure that whether it's still continue or not. Mm, I'm not sure that we lost you or you lost me.
Okay, sorry, internet issues.
No worries, no
अच्छा,
worries.
यहाँ पे एक कमेंट भी आया है कि तब आई गेस शी इज वांट टू से तन्हाई है
तबाही, I
जहेज,
think.
वाकई एक लानत है जहेज,
हाँ,
तबाही है जहेज.
हाँ, I think
सो
so.
यस, सो हमारी नजर में, हमारे मुआशरे में अगर कोई जहेज लेकर नहीं जाता तो सोचा जाता है कि उसे घर से ही निकाल दिया गया. सो दीज थिंग्स हैपेंस. और इस चीज को एक कोट किया जाता है कि जहेज एक लानत है, लेकिन लेना लेना चाहता है हर कोई और देना जो है कोई नहीं चाहता. वो कहते हैं कि नहीं यार, हमें ये चीज जो है ना नहीं वो करनी चाहिए, और जब लेने की बारी आती है तो सब कहते हैं कि हमें लेना चाहिए. आई थिंक काफी लोग इस चीज से एग्री भी करेंगे एंड डिसएग्री भी करेंगे.
You are exactly right कि वही बात है, जब देने की बारी आती है तो सब कहते हैं कि नहीं ले, लेकिन जब लेने की बारी आती है तो तब हम इनकार करना भूल जाते हैं. और हमें इसी चीज की जरूरत है कि हम एक ही स्टैंडर्ड पे रहें, सिर्फ देने से इनकार ना करें, लेने सबसे पहले लेने से इनकार करें. और यही एक एक्शनेबल थिंग है करने के लिए. सो दैट्स
राइट.
वैलिड पॉइंट.
मैम,
या
मैम वी हैव अ क्वेश्चन एज वेल. जहेज एक लानत है और लड़के का स्टेटस अर्निंग देख के शादी करने वालों के बारे में क्या ख्याल है? इट्स अ वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन एज वेल.
इट्स अ वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन माज. और मैं इस बारे में ये कहूँगी कि मैं वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट को जो है हर वक्त प्रमोट करती हूँ. और औरतों के भी मेरे ख्याल से अगर वो भी काम करती हैं तो they earn their own money. So that's also a negative point कि आप लड़के की अर्निंग और स्टेटस देख के शादी करें. शादी करने के लिए और बहुत सी चीजें हैं जिन्हें मद्देनजर रखना चाहिए, ना कि पैसे और
Exactly.
स्टेटस.
Right. Ma'am,
Yeah.
as you're working on women empowerment and all, do you think that Pakistani women are too much empowered right now as compared to the Pakistani women back in 2000?
If you wanted to do the comparison on timeline, I would agree. I would completely agree, and I would completely agree seeing the woman around my family. But on
Right.
the other hand, if you are, or if you and I are visiting the Thar, or if we are visiting the like village area and or remote area, then it doesn't seem that much has changed.
Right.
So for the
So,
urban areas, for metropolitan cities, it has changed. But for the remote and village areas, it seems the same.
right. Ma'am, in your opinion, what do you think that what is women empowerment? We used to listen a word women empowerment again and again from the different personalities, from the different people. But what is basically women empowerment? Do you think that giving education to a woman is a woman empowerment, or giving the basic right to a woman is a woman empowerment? What is woman empowerment? Can you please give me a very brief answer about this thing?
If you wanted to just hear my opinion, then I would just say that empowerment mean having all those rights which other people or men have in the society. It's
Right.
not something new, but just not getting discriminated because someone is woman, and having all those basic rights which men have in our society or in the world. It's the woman empowerment.
Right. Ma'am, Walid Rauf also commented, कहते सब हैं कि लानत है पर अमल कोई नहीं करता. आई होप आई विल डू इट. अभी मेरी शादी नहीं हुई, so जब शादी होगी तो मैं इस चीज पे अमल भी जरूर करूंगा, इंशाल्लाह ताला. Well, moving ahead, ma'am, do you think एक काफी रिसेंटली एक चीज आई थी, औरत राज औरत मार्च. Do you think those women are empowered or those women are not empowered? Which kind of rights they want? Because you are working in that area from last 8 years. So what do you think?
I would say that politicize or media campaign, I just keep myself away from those, so I would reserve my comment for that. But I see the all the reason behind those march, all the motives behind those march are good. Why? Because
Right.
we need to empower the woman. So I would
Right.
not go on the that how it happened, but the motives
Right.
behind those movements are always true.
Right. So if I ask from you, the slogans used in that march, were they good or should they be improved?
I know that those slogans were a bit of a controversial, so I would say that I'm neutral. I don't have any opinion on those.
Right. So
Yeah.
I'm also neutral because I am a host and I am hosting a show. So I'm also a neutral person. So I was
Yeah.
taking your opinion. Right. Ma'am, again, moving ahead toward your startup and talking about your startup, like after interviewing the 100 different women, what do you think that the women of Pakistan are those 100 women have the idea about how they can work for the economy of Pakistan? Do they have any kind of idea? Or they have any kind of idea to invest their money where they have to? Like, how much our women are like mature in this kind of investment?
I would say that it's very low level of financial knowledge, and that
Right.
goes back to the bringing being a child. अगर आप notice करें तो हमारे यहाँ बचपन से ही somehow money is attached to the man, that he is the one to earn it, and then he is the one to learn that how to manage that money. That's why
Exactly.
even growing up being a woman, and हम सब अगर आप यूनिवर्सिटी में भी पढ़ रहे हैं, as I interviewed few university students as well, so
Right.
even they are studying but their knowledge goes back to कि अब्बा ने बताया था इस बैंक में अकाउंट खोल लो तो मैंने खोल लिया था, भाई ने बताया था कि ये कर लो तो मैंने ये कर लिया था, मुझे तो नहीं पता कौन सा बैंक अकाउंट है. So they even they even don't have a knowledge that what are the bank accounts and what services do they bank offer, and they are studying in education sector. Even I still remember that I met a working lady and she has been working 3 or 4 years, and when I asked about, and she was saving money very actively, and when I asked her,
Right.
and she has bought the insurance as well, she has all the like very interesting products. She was saving money, she has invested money, everything. And when I asked her that from where did she get the knowledge, she was like, my brother is the CA certified, and he is the one from the start telling me since I started the job that इतने परसेंट मनी तुम्हें हर मंथ सेव करने की जरूरत है, तुम्हें ये करने की जरूरत है, ये करने की जरूरत है. So she does not explore and she doesn't even research that what does she needs to do with her money. It was her brother who is telling and giving all the financial knowledge.
Right. So, ma'am, actually, when I opened the account in the bank, my father told me open the account in this bank, and that's all, and that's it. We were been there. We opened the account. I never asked from anyone what's the pro, what's the cons about this bank account. मुझे किसी चीज का कोई आइडिया नहीं था. मैंने जाके बैंक अकाउंट खोल दिया. कुछ दिन बाद मेरा एटीएम कार्ड आ गया. And I was happy that I am ATM card holder. Yeah, I am. So these things like really matters a lot. आप लोग कैसे एक बंदे को जाके बताएंगे और उसे किस तरह ये नॉलेज पहुंचाएंगे कि आपको इस बैंक अकाउंट में ये फैसिलिटीज मिल रही हैं, ये काम हो रहा है, आप इस बैंक अकाउंट में ओपन करें?
I would go back to the very basic education that if you and I were taught in like metric, when we were in metric, I believe that you are a graduate. So when we were
Yeah,
in a
I am.
metric, so
आई थिंक मैम इज फेसिंग सम काइंड ऑफ इंटरनेट इश्यूज. तो जैसे वो वापस आती हैं तो हम दोबारा से स्टार्ट लेते हैं. आई होप शी विल जॉइन वेरी सून. बात हो रही है आप अपने पैसे कैसे बचाएं। अभी हमें ज्वाइन कर लेंगी एंड शी इज हियर, राइट,
I'm not
वेलकम
sure which
बैक।
internet is the bad one. Thank you. I'm not sure which internet is bad. I'm sorry.
कैरी ऑन
Yeah.
प्लीज, दिस इज
So we
पाकिस्तान,
were talking
पाकिस्तान
about, yes, y- yes, we live in Pakistan. So if we were taught about those financial knowledge and techniques when we were in 10th class, I would say 10th grade, definitely
exactly,
at the age of whenever you open the bank account. I opened my first bank account when I was, I think, after when I was studying, doing my graduation. So when we
right,
would be open, question that which bank account is good, because we have that background knowledge of managing our money. We have basic
right.
budgeting techniques in our head. We know that we need to ask those questions, that which bank account I should open. So that goes back to our learnings in the initial stage.
Right. So, do you think our education system must teach us these things, like the business things in our
Yes,
academia should be taught to us?
I would completely agree. And recently, I think State Bank launched even financial literacy program for kids under the fifth
Can you
grade, and that's an app, and you can install that, and you like kid would be getting the
can you hear
basic
me, ma'am?
knowledge. Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
I think she's facing some kind of serious internet issues. All right. Sorry.
Can you hear me?
Again, internet issue. Yes, I can hear you. Please go ahead.
I'm sorry for bad connection.
Same here. No problem.
Yes.
Okay. Uh, my question for you is: do should our academia teach us all these things, like uh, about the business at a very basic level when we are in the 10th grade or in ninth grade, how to save money and how to do these all these things?
Definitely, I would say that yes. And why do I focused on women? Because if our women would know these financial things, they would be teaching to their kids, and that brings the
Right.
systematic change in the society to have financial knowledge. Because
Right.
in our culture, women are the one to teach kids more as compared to the men, and that's why it's strategic idea to advocate women about finance and these financial literacy aspects so they can teach to their kids.
Right. Like we usually see माँ बच्चे की तरबियत करती है, so you want to say कि जब तरबियत में ये चीजें सिखा दी जाएंगी कि how to save the money and how to spend the money, the most important thing, how to spend the money,
Exactly.
then our kids will be a lot mature in spending the money, right? What is more important, saving money or spending money?
If you would be
Like,
saving,
sorry, I should add in this question more. Earlier you said effective spending. So, what is effective spending basically?
see, I don't know, but I have a slogan that we all earn money to spend. And for me, saving also count as a spend, that we get certain amount of a money and then we plan where do we need to spend it. And if you talk about the term effective spending, we all need to hang out with friends, we all need to do shopping to look good. So we just need to do the proper planning, that how many hangouts are good for us or needed for us in the month. Yes, I can hear you. How many clothes do we need to buy in a month? How much makeup do we need to buy in a month? So that's effective, that planning for your all prospects of
Right.
your life, that how is the appropriate amount of money you should spend in each bucket. And it would be different for each person. It would be different for you, it would be different for me. It's
Yes.
We should just know those basic techniques or basic
Exactly.
agenda that we should spend our
Exactly.
money effectively. And we all can have our personal plan, we all can have our personal budget, we all can manage our personal finances. And if we are unable to, we should ask for advice. Like, if I am the one unable to, I should
Right.
ask my father, I should ask my
Uh,
friend.
Ma'am, right.
Your voice is breaking,
Right.
so you need to repeat the question if you ask one.
राइट। मैम, हम अपना प्रोग्राम इस अंदाज से ख़त्म कर। ओके। ओके। राइट। आई एम सेइंग कि हम अपने प्रोग्राम के इख्तिताम पर जा रहे हैं। सो इख्तिताम में मैं अपने रिस्पेक्टेड गेस्ट से एक मैसेज लेता हूं जो वो मेरे व्यूअर्स को और इस प्लेटफॉर्म के जरिए से पाकिस्तानी कौम को अगर कोई मैसेज देना चाहे, सो प्लीज गो अहेड विद दैट मैसेज।
I would say, please save money for better life. Please be conscious about your money for your better life and life of the coming generation. And for any technique, please feel free to send me a note. If you are facing any difficulty to manage your finances, you need any techniques, you need any tip, yeah, you should just feel free to send me a note and save money for your better life.
Right. We have a question from, and the question is, what should be the proper strategies to improve women literacy rate in Pakistan?
I think we lost you.
Okay, ma'am, go ahead with the answer of
Can
this
you hear me?
question.
So, proper strategy to improve women literacy rate. First of all, literacy rate is different at each level. We have a different literacy
Go ahead
rate
with the answer of this
for a
question.
so literacy. I
Right.
don't know. I just have a reservation on definition of a literacy in Pakistan. As per definition of literacy in Pakistan is a person who can write his or her name and just do their signature. That's the definition of literacy. So I would not comment on the literacy rate in Pakistan because I have reservation on the definition. But for women, I would say that it starts from
Right.
individual and from the family. If I, you, and the person who commented would comment that would commit to the this movement that our women would get education, I think we can bring change. So it starts from a one person and then it prevails in the society.
Right. Uh, the comment from Raja is very interesting. हमारा सबसे बड़ा मसला कौल और फेल में तजाद है. हम बातें बहुत अच्छी करते हैं पर खुद अमल नहीं करते. So it's a very important line कि हम खुद अमल नहीं करते. We are trying to improve ourselves and we hope कि पाकिस्तानी अब अपने आप को चेंज करने की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं. मैंने पिछले
I agree.
काफी टाइम में काफी सारी चीजों को बेहतर होते देखा है. सो आई होप और राजा भाई से मैं ये भी कहूंगा, मुदस्सर भाई से कि दिस प्लेटफॉर्म इज बेसिकली टू प्रमोट द यंग टैलेंट. मतलब मैंने जब ये काम शुरू किया तो मतलब लाइव सेशन एंड ऑल, दिस वाज अ बिट डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी, बट my motto and my goal is to promote the young talent and young emerging people like जिस तरह आज हमारे साथ आप मौजूद हैं और फरिया जैसे ऐसे काफी जेम्स हमारे शो पे आए हैं एंड they are showing their talent and mashallah Pakistan is improving. So
Better days are coming, I would say.
exactly.
Yeah.
What's the please go ahead with the answer.
But it is a hurdle for us, and as you are the man, I would say that you should commit to yourself that you would work for women literacy around you. As all if all the men are working toward women education, then I think women would not be illiterate anymore. Because in a patriarchal society, it's the more responsibility on the man to take that initiative and work
Right.
for women empowerment.
Right. So we hope that we have answered to Engineer Imran Khan Yusuf Zai. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your time.
Thank you. Thank you
Really a
so
good show
much.
with you.
Yeah.
और हमारे शो को खत्म करने का यू वेलकम. हमारे
Thank
शो को
you.
खत्म करने का मैम एक तरीका है, मैं पाकिस्तान बोलूंगा और मेरा रिस्पेक्टेड गेस्ट उसे जिंदाबाद के नाम से
Sure,
करता
sure.
है. सो पाकिस्तान
Zindabad.
जिंदाबाद. थैंक
Thank
यू.
you.
सब
Thank you so
व्यूअर्स अपना
much.
बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा. इंशाल्लाह मिलते हैं एक नए शो में एक नए गेस्ट से.
Thank
यू
you.
वेलकम. इस अपनेपन के साथ कि अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह